Good evening, my dear student. Today we'll know about mensuration, and in this video we will make our just basic concept about solid. And the next video we'll learn about cylinder, cone, sphere, like that. Okay. And for this chapter we have to know about surface area and volume. About only this surface area and volume. So let's start for solid. Here, solid, for any kind of solid shape, you will get three dimension, and it must be a closed figure, length, breadth, and height, and it must be a closed figure. So it's written here, a figure which occupies a portion of space, and always a solid occupies space. It is necessary condition for any solid shape. Clear? And solid shape has how many dimension? Three dimension. For example, length, breadth, and height. Is it clear? And I have taken here a few example. Cylinder. First example is cylinder. See here. This is a solid shape, and as well as it is a closed also. You will get many example for solid. This cylinder, water pipe. For one example, water pipe you can say. And here, number of flat surfaces you have to find out. How many? Two, because this top one and this down one, flat surface. Clear? Number of curved surface, exactly one. See, middle one, and this one is curved surface. Number of faces, definitely three, because this is top face, this is bottom face, and this is middle curved face. So total number of face, three. Can you say number of edges? Definitely two, because this is one and this is another one, two each. Clear? And number of vertices, what is this? Number of vertices is zero for cylinder. I think it's clear from this diagram for cylinder. Now next is given, that is cone. One example, birthday cap. See here, flat surface, exactly one. This base one, flat surface, and curved surface, this top one is curved surface. Clear? And number of faces, definitely two, because one is flat surface, another one is curved surface. So two face. And number of edges, exactly one. This is exactly one, and vertices one. See, you can easily identify this is the vertex of this cone. Clear? This is cone. Now one more example, that is sphere, but because we have to discuss about these three only, sphere, cone, and cylinder. For sphere, here total number of curved surface, exactly one. See, this is total curved surface, there is no flat surface, so curved surface one, and number of edges zero, and vertices also zero. Because it is a sphere. In throwing ball is there, no? For throwing ball, and all day we are doing sports day, we are playing, no? Throwing ball, that is one example of sphere. Now next, surface area. You have to know how to find out surface area. And what is that surface area? Surface area, remember this, surface area means total surface area. How many faces are there? For example, for this cylinder, how many faces are there? Three. Two flat surface and one curved surface. This upper one is top, and this is down bottom face, and this is curved face. So this is flat surface. How many surfaces is there? Completely three. So when we will find out the area of completely three surface, then only you get surface area of a solid. That's why it is written. See, the sum of area of the curved surface or faces, three face of a solid, is called surface area. That means sum of all the areas of curved surface or faces. Clear? So sum of the area of all the faces of any solid shape is called total surface area. It's clear? Total surface area, that means sum of all the areas of the all faces of any solid shape. Now next, this is surface area, is clear? Now one more is there, that is lateral curved surface area. Lateral or curved surface area. Lateral means without top and bottom face. Without top and bottom face, you have to find out area. That means you have to subtract this face and this face. You have to take only this curved surface area. In only this curved surface area, it's clear? So it is written, the sum of the areas of the curved surface or faces, only curved surface. What is written? Sum of areas of the curved surface of a solid, excluding top face and bottom face. Remember that. For total surface area, you have to take top face also, bottom face also, and curved face also. But for lateral surface area or for curved surface area, you have to take only curved faces. Okay, curved face. That means without top face and without bottom face you have to calculate. Then only you will get lateral surface area of any solid. Is clear? This is lateral surface area. So total surface area, lateral surface area. And last one is volume. See here, volume. The measurement of the space enclosed by a solid is called volume. That means suppose in a water pipe you have to find out the quantity of water. If one water pipe is contain 5 liter water, that means the volume of that water pipe is 5 liter. Is it clear? That should be the measurement of the space enclosed by solid. The measurement of the space. Is clear? The measurement of the space. Now, next one is cross section of a solid. It is also very important. Cross section. If a cut or made through a solid perpendicular to its length, perpendicularly when you are going to cut any 3D shape, then only you will get cross section of that solid. That means for this is a cuboid. You will cut perpendicularly, then you will get this face. See in this one, this is called cross section of this diagram. Then for cylinder, you will cut perpendicularly. See here, just exactly here, you will cut perpendicularly. You will get exactly this dot one, and like circular section you will get. This circular section is called cross section. Similarly for cone also, you will try to cut. You will try to cut here. You will get this kind of shape. You will get this kind of shape, and this obtained shape is called cross section of a solid. Cross section of a solid. That means when you are going to cut any solid shape perpendicularly, then only you will get cross section of any solid. So this is the basic concept about surface area, lateral surface area, volume, and cross section of a solid. With this 4, we are going to complete cylinder, cone, sphere, and different kind of 3-dimensional shape. We have to obtain their volume, surface area, lateral surface area. This is the basic concept. Try to go through this, and tomorrow I will discuss about completely only on cylinder. Thank you. Take care. God bless you.